Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial video on ROS. And today we'll be looking at how you can navigate the ROS file system. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we need to install the ROS tutorial. So let's install it with the command below. Sudo apt. And make sure you change the distro to the one you are using. I'm going to change mine to Notic. Is the ROS distro I'm using. Let's look at our console. Alright, we have installed ROS tutorial. So, quick overview of some concepts in ROS file system. Software in ROS are organized in packages. Packages can contain libraries, can contain datasets, configuration files, and other resources. While manifest is a description of a package or a documentation of the package. It has the meta information about the package, like the package name, the version, license, and how. So, moving forward, the first tool we are going to be looking at today is the ROS pack tool, and it allows you to get information about packages. So let's use the ROS pack find option as an example. ROS pack find the package ROS PPP, and you can see it returned package path. The next command we look at is the ROS CD, and unlike the normal CD, ROS CD allows you to change directory to a package straightforward, so you don't have to go through the package parts one after the other. And you can see it's not possible with ROS and the normal CD. You can see we are getting an error. So let's try it with ROS CD. ROS CD package and package CD. You can see you are able to move to the ROS CPP package straightforward without having without going through the package path. And we can check the present working directory, which obviously is the same. The next tool we will look at is the ROS CD log, and the ROS CD log will take you to the folder where ROS stores log files. The next command is the ROS list, and unlike the normal list, the ROS list allows you to list files directly in a package by name rather than by absolute path, which means we don't have to go through the package path before we can list the files inside it. Okay, let me show you. Was the package was cpp areas, and you can see it lists all the files inside the ROS CPP tutorial package, and this is not possible using the normal ls. Let me show you what I'm saying. Let's go back to our home directory and run ls was see. You can see we are getting an error, but it is possible using ROS ls to move and to list all the files in the package directly without going to package path. So ROS can see that is the main difference. And another thing we will look at is the tab completion. And tab completion is very useful because it makes working and navigating the ROS file system easier, because by just pressing the tab key, it will auto complete a package name or a command, which saves you time. So let's look at an example. Was cd was cd that's consult, and I can just hit the tab key, which will auto complete the rest, as you can see. And another thing you can do is and in case there are multiple packages with same first two letters or three letters, you can just press the tab key twice and it will list all the possible package with the same that start with the same letters. So let's check. So was cd dot 2, then let's press tab twice and you can see it lists all the possible package that start with the same letter. Then you can now continue. Maybe you want to open the turtle scene, then you can now continue with S and then press tab again, which will auto complete it. And that's how you do it. So this will be all for this video. I hope you find it helpful, and in the next video we will be looking at how you can create ROS packages. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.